The LED indicator displays the state of the EC2G modem and provides an indication of the received signal level. When first powered up, the LED turns red. As soon as the wireless network interface is operational, the LED begins flashing twice per second. As soon as the EC2G modem is registered on the wireless network, the LED flash rate changes to indicate the type of network, signal condition, PAC controller connectivity. So what is your modem telling you? Take a look at the following demonstration of the LED indicator. Let's look at the indications when the modem is connected to a network but is not connected to the PAC controller. That is, a dial-up connection is not in current process. 2 rapid green flashes, repeated every second, indicates the modem is connected to a GPRS network. A single green flash, repeated every second, indicates the modem is connected to a GSM network. When a dial-up connection is in process and the modem is connected to the PAC controller, when data is being transmitted, the LED changes to a single flash, repeated every 2 seconds. A single green flash, repeated every 2 seconds, indicates a good data rate with a CSQ of at least 20. A single amber flash, repeated every 2 seconds, indicates a poor data rate with a CSQ between 6 and 19. A single red flash, repeated every 2 seconds, indicates a very poor data rate with a CSQ of 5 or less. Where there is a connection between the PAC server and the PAC door controller but no data transmission is taking place, the LED will be unlit.